Hello, I have a book review for you today on Hidden Nature, A Coloring Escape for Grown-Ups by Croc and published by Promopress. This is the front of the book. This one is called Lay Flat Binding. I'll show you that when we open it up. And this is the back of the book. The book also has a slip cover, which is removable. And underneath the book is a glossy finish. Okay, we open the book and we see the binding right here. I don't know if you can see it really well, but when I first opened it, I actually thought they'd forgot to glue the cover. Well, this is called Lay Flat Binding. It's a different process that they do with the book so that your pages lay almost completely flat. There are some double spreads in this book, so that is really handy. You don't have to worry when you get to the crease. Each time you want it to lay flat, you just give it a little push right there and pages lay down. They don't pop back up like they do on a traditional book. The book dimensions are 9 3/4 by 9 3/4. There are 84 coloring pages in this book. I think there was about 10 or 12 double-page image. There were a couple where you get to finish your own. You'll see when you buy the book that there's a little kitten hiding on a lot of these pages. Sometimes it's in the open, sometimes it's hidden. It's almost like a little game. Find the kitty. Very cute. The pictures in here are quite varied. It's not just on one different theme, it's on quite a few. And the pictures are beautiful. The paper is a heavyweight, bright white paper. It feels really nice. Excellent quality. I would recommend this book for everyone, beginner to advanced colorists. Some of the pages aren't that hard, and some of them are a little more intricate. I read that you can use watercolor markers in this book. I would test that in the back of the book just to be on the safe side. There's a bunch of little tiny images in the back. Samples of what's inside the book. And I would test it back there. There's also a blank sheet that you can test on. The same with gel pens. You would be able to use gel pens in this book. These are the little samples of what's inside the book. I would not recommend using alcohol markers in this book. And here's your extra sheet. You can do some tests on it. And there you have it. Hidden Nature by Croc and published by Promopress.